To any machine, work is a matter of principle, because everything a machine does is in accordance with a set of principles or scientific laws. Many mechanical machines exist to convert one form of movement into another. This movement may be a straight line, or maybe in a circle. Many machines convert linear movement into circular or rotary movements, or vice versa. Often because the power source driving the machine moves in one way, and the machine moves in another. Movement of the motor, a pull of the muscles, or gravity, for example. In a machine, this driving force must be conveyed in the right place in the right amount. There's a lot of ingenuity involved with transmitting force from one place to another and ensuring that it arrives just the right quantity. When you squeeze and twist the handles of a can opener, for instance, the blade cuts easily through the lid of the can, and this device makes light work of something that would otherwise be impossible. At its heart, engineering is about using science to find creative and practical solutions. As your job as an engineer, it's to find full efficiency, being able to make or design whatever you're making, be able to use this energy to the best of its ability. There's a law, and it holds that you can only get as much energy out of a machine as you put into it. No more, no less. And it's your job to figure out how you can get the most out of it. So, for an example, the conservation of energy. As a motor or muscle moves to supply force to a machine, they give it energy. The more force or the more movement that provides more energy, movement is a particular form of energy that's called kinetic energy, and it is produced by converting other forms of energy, such as potential energy stored in a spring, and heat and energy in a gasoline engine, or electric energy in an electric motor, or chemical energy in muscles. When a machine transmits force, it applies it and it can expend the same amount of energy as it is put into. Overall total energy always remains the same, and the principle of conservation of energy governs all actions. So, springs may store energy and friction will convert energy to heat, but when everything is taken into an account, no energy is created and none is destroyed.